Hello students, myself Professor Ghule Venkatesh presenting to you concept of utility analysis from the second unit, utility analysis of the 12th economics. So in economics being a social science, that is the economic behavior of the human. Okay, economic behavior of whom there are two economic agents particularly whose economic behavior is studied in the economics, that is producers economic behavior and the consumers economic behavior is studied particularly in the economics. And while studying the economic behavior of consumers, this concept of utilities holds the very much importance, okay, very much significance. So today we are going to discuss the concept of utility along with its feature and its types. So before approaching the concept of utility, first we will come to know what is the concept of want क्या है. So generally want refers to the needs or the desires, okay, that we have as an humans. We want bike to ride, we want a mobile for the entertainment, we want furnished home, we want AC car, okay, all these क्या है, all these are the human wants है, which are our desires or needs, okay. In economic terms, wants means it denotes the lack of satisfaction, okay. There is a lack of satisfaction and that's why we want something, okay. At every moment we want this, that and etc. so on, okay. So and all these wants are satisfied with the consumption of goods and services. So want refers to the lack of satisfaction, and to fulfill that lack of satisfaction we consume the goods and services. And then next, what is the concept of utility then? Utility refers to the capacity of commodity to satisfy the human wants, okay. तो यहाँ पर utility क्या है? Utility एक capacity है और power है of that particular commodity which satisfy the human wants, which are unlimited in nature and which are ever increasing. So in another words, utility क्या है? It is a want satisfying power of commodity, okay. So it is a want satisfying power of commodity. For example, ब्रेड क्या करता है? ब्रेड सेटिस्फाइज आवर वांट्स ऑफ हंगर, ओके. उसी तरह टीवी या फिर मोबाइल क्या करता है? इट सेटिस्फाइज द वांट ऑफ एंटरटेनमेंट. उसी तरह बुक क्या करता है? बुक हमारी नॉलेज की वांट को सेटिस्फाई करता है, ओके. सो ऑल दोज कमोडिटीज पोजेसिंग द कैपेसिटी और अ पावर ऑफ satisfying the human want is known to have a utility in them, okay. More clearly we will come to know what is the utility and what is not utility through all its features. So we will discuss the features in the next slide. Here the acronym word feature itself summarizes all the features of the concept of utility, which will help you to remember all its features with the feature word itself. Here F stands for it forms the basis for a demand. Then E, the concept of utility is ethically neutral. Then A stands for also not the same as the usefulness. Then T, the measurement of utility is not possible. Then U, utility is a subjective concept. Then R stands for utility is a relative concept. Then E, A1, different from the pleasure. So concept of utility is different from pleasure, and then satisfaction and utility both are not same, okay. So all these are the features and we will discuss them one by one in the next slide. So the first feature of utility is that it forms the basis of the demand. So first let me know why we demand the goods and services. We demand goods and services to fulfill our human wants, okay. And a person will demand any particular commodity only it has a कैपेसिटी और इट हैज़ अ यूटिलिटी फॉर हिम, ओके. तभी क्या करेगा वो? किसी पर्टिकुलर चीज़ की डिमांड करेगा. हेयर यू कैन सी इन द पिक्चर एग्जांपल में द पेशेंट will demand the medicines why he is demanding medicine? Because that particular medicine has a capacity or a power to satisfy his want, okay. Here they are able to cure his disease, so he will demand the medicines, okay. उसी तरह हम क्या कर रहे हैं? Every commodity demand कर रहे हैं because it has a power to satisfy our demand, and that's why this utility concept forms the basis of the demand. There is a utility and that's why there is a demand for a particular commodity. The next feature of the utility is concept of utility is ethically neutral, okay. So there is no ethical consideration. So while dealing with the concept of utility, the particular good is good for the human or it is bad for the human, okay. It is not considered there, okay. Is it a desirable for the human or it is undesirable for human? These ethical considerations are not there. The commodity should, here क्या है? Commodity should satisfy any want of person without the consideration of good or bad or without the consideration of desirable or undesirable. With the example हम देख सकते हैं this both the guys, one terrorist having gun in his hand and next one is soldier. Okay, both using gun means both have a utility in the gun, but the activities of them are not good for the society. Okay, terrorist using the gun for killing the people, and at the same time soldier क्या कर रहा है, soldier is using his gun to protect the lives of his countrymen. Okay, so their purpose is different. Okay, one's purpose is bad while the second is the good purpose, but ethical considerations here are not considered in the economics. In the concept of utility it is ethically क्या है, neutral है. या फिर उसी तरह हम देख सकते हैं कि example of the knife can be used to cut vegetables and fruits as well as it can be used to harm the any person. Okay, so यहाँ पर सिर्फ क्या देखा जा रहा है कि सेटिस्फाई कर रहा है कि नहीं. ओके, वही कोई पर्टिकुलर कमोडिटी किसी की सेटिस्फैक्शन को वहाँ पे फुलफिल करता है तो वो बैड है या गुड है, या फिर वो डिज़ायरेबल है या अनडिज़ायरेबल है, वो देखा नहीं जाता. दैट्स वाई कंसेप्ट ऑफ यूटिलिटी क्या है, इथिकली न्यूट्रल है. द नेक्स्ट फीचर है also not the same as a usefulness. Okay, the concept of utility is often confused with the concepts of usefulness, pleasure and the satisfaction, but the concept of utility is completely different from the concept of usefulness. तो यहाँ पे utility क्या है, utility is a capacity है या फिर power है of a commodity to satisfy the human wants, whereas usefulness क्या है, usefulness indicates the value of particular commodity for the human, या फिर value in use मतलब क्या है यहाँ पे, value in use means worth of that commodity for the human, या फिर benefits derived from the particular commodity. Here pictures shows the difference between the utility and usefulness. The children having a drink here, milk. तो milk क्या है, milk has a utility जो कि satisfy कर रहा है उसकी want को, but at the same time this milk is useful for his health. Okay, as milk is a source of calcium and other vitamins. That's why it has utility as well as it has a usefulness. While the other guy having alcohol or a wine in his hand, the particular alcohol or a wine has a utility in it. Okay, as it satisfies the want of alcoholist person, but it is harmful to his health. That's why it is not useful to him. Okay, so utility is different and the usefulness is different. Utility is a capacity है of particular commodity which satisfy human want, whereas usefulness है benefits derived from the particular commodity. The next feature है the utility is not measurable. Okay, we can't measure the utility derived from particular commodity in a exact amount. यूटिलिटी क्यों, व्हाट इज द रीजन कि यूटिलिटी एक अब्स्ट्रैक्ट कंसेप्ट है एंड इट इज एन हाइपोथेटिकल कंसेप्ट एंड दैट्स व्हाई वी कांट मेजर इन इट इन अ पर्टिकुलर नंबर. ओके, वी कांट से दैट कि आफ्टर कंजम्पशन ऑफ द पर्टिकुलर कमोडिटी वी हैव डिराइव्ड अ पर्टिकुलर अमाउंट ऑफ utility from that. जैसे कि यहाँ पे there are two examples, two biscuits are there, one is a good day and second one is a dark fantasy. So you can't say that कि after consumption of the good day biscuit you received a 5 units of utility and you can't say कि after consumption of dark fantasy you received a 10 units of utility. आप यहाँ पे क्या कर सकते हो, you can only rank the utilities derived from this particular two biscuits. Okay, you can say that कि after consumption of the dark fantasy biscuit you received a more utility than the consumption of good day biscuit. Okay, so you can only rank or order the utilities derived from the commodity, but you can't rank you can't decide कि after consumption of particular commodity you have received the this amount of utility. So it is not measurable है. You can only either a utility derived from particular commodity can be only positive, negative or it can be a 0 but you can't measure it in a numbers. Okay, in a 1, 2 or 3 like that. The next feature है the concept of utility is subjective है. What does mean by subjective है, subjective means it differs from person to person. Okay, and why it differs from person to person, there are two reasons. First, एक psychological concept है, so everyone's psychology, okay, psychology of every person is different and that's why his perception towards the utility received from particular commodity is also different. And the second reason क्या है, it is due to the differences in the taste, preferences, like, dislikes, habits and natures, and the professions of the persons are different and that's why उनका जो perception है towards the utility received from various commodities is also different. जैसे कि यहाँ पे example में देख सकते हैं the profession of doctor have utility in the stethoscope and that's why he is using the stethoscope. Okay, but this same stethoscope doesn't have any utility for the common man or a layman who doesn't understand what is stethoscope is. Okay, so यूटिलिटी क्या है, सब्जेक्टिव कंसेप्ट एंड इट डिफर्स फ्रॉम द पर्सन टू पर्सन एज देयर आर डिफरेंस इन द टेस्ट प्रेफरेंसेस लाइक डिसलाइक्स एंड द नेचर ऑफ द पीपल. द नेक्स्ट फीचर इज the concept of utility is relative है. Okay, what does mean by relative here? Relative means it changes with the time and place. As time changes, utility derived from that particular commodity will also change, and as a place changes, utility will change. Okay, here with the example we can understand how it is relative to the time and place. First, aquaguard has a more utility in the rainy season. Why? Because there is a risk of waterborne diseases in the rainy season. So relative to the other seasons, need of aquaguard is more, or utility derived from aquaguard is more in the rainy season. And then next example, room freshener has more utility in the bathroom or in the toilets than the drawing room या फिर your study room से. So उसकी utility वहाँ पे ज़्यादा है. So it changes with the time and the place this way. The next concept है, the concept of utility is often different from the pleasure. Okay, often the utility concept is confused with the pleasure या फिर satisfaction, but it is not the case. So यहाँ पे how it is different, a commodity may possess utility but it may not give pleasure or enjoyment to the human. जैसे कि if any person is diseased with or suffering from any particular disease, he has to take injections. Okay, but injection क्यों लिया जाता है by the patient? Because it has a capacity or it has a utility that satisfies his want. Okay, that cures his disease, but injection is not pleasurable या फिर enjoyable नहीं है. Okay, and that's why everyone is afraid of taking injections. Okay, so pleasure अलग है and utility क्या है, अलग है. The next feature है satisfaction. Okay, A1, the concept of utility and satisfaction both are also different. यहाँ पे utility क्या है, utility is a cause of consumption है, while satisfaction क्या है, it is an end result of the consumption. Okay, यानी कि after consumption के बाद क्या मिलता है, satisfaction मिलता है हमें, and उसके पहले utility होती है. So utility is a pre-consumption while satisfaction is post-consumption है, या फिर अनदर वर्ड यू कैन से दैट कि यूटिलिटी इज अज्यूम्ड सेटिस्फैक्शन है, वाइल सेटिस्फैक्शन क्या है, समथिंग दैट इज एक्चुअली रियलाइज्ड आफ्टर कंज्यूमिंग द पर्टिकुलर कमोडिटी. ओके, सो बोथ दिस concept utility and satisfaction both are different. So these are the features of the utility. Okay, the next slide we'll see the types of utility. तो उसमें there are 6 types of utility: place utility, time utility, form utility, service utility, possession utility and knowledge utility. So first we'll see what is place utilities. When utility is created due to the change in the place of particular commodity, then it is known as a place utility. जैसे कि वहाँ पे हापुस मैंगोज आर नॉट ग्रोन इन द अदर वेस्टर्न कंट्रीज और इन डेवलप्ड कंट्रीज में वहाँ पे दे आर नॉट ग्रोन देयर, एंड दैट्स वाई they have a greater utility of mangoes than the Indians feel. Okay, so when we export the mangoes from India to the America, utility is created there. Okay, या फिर more utility is realized there, and that's why it is known as a place utility. Then second है time utility. As utility increases or utility is created due to the change in time of change in the time of utilization of that particular commodity. जैसे कि हमने कोरोना पैंडेमिक में देखा कि the need of blood plasmas, okay, या फिर blood banks and the need of particular we can say देखिए ऑक्सीजन सिलेंडर्स, उनकी नीड क्या हुई, अराइज हुई, ओके, इंक्रीज हुई, एंड दैट्स वाई उनकी यूटिलिटी इंक्रीज्ड हुई विद द चेंज इन द टाइम. So it is known as the time utility. The next है form utility. When utility is created due to the change in the form or shape of particular commodity या फिर material, then it is known as a form utility. जैसे कि यहाँ पे wooden is lying here, which is of no use for the common man, but when this wooden is used to make any of the furniture, okay, we can make for doors, chairs, table or anything from this wooden, okay, and then its utility क्या होगी, फिर इंक्रीज होगी, एंड दैट्स व्हाई इट इज नोन एज अ फॉर्म यूटिलिटी. ओके, सो व्हेन वी चेंज द शेप और अ स्ट्रक्चर ऑफ पर्टिकुलर कमोडिटी, यूटिलिटी इज इंक्रीज्ड है. देन सर्विस यूटिलिटी. सर्विस यूटिलिटी इज फेल्ट व्हेन प्रोफेशनल सर्विसेज आर रेंडर्ड बाय द प्रोफेशनल. जैसे कि डॉक्टर है, वहाँ पे टीचर है या फिर एडवोकेट्स है, दे आर रेंडरिंग द सर्विसेज टू द कॉमन पीपल, एंड दैट्स व्हाई द यूटिलिटी इज नोन एज सर्विस यूटिलिटी. देन है possession utility. Possession utility is utility is created due to the ownership change, due to the transfer of ownership from one person to the another person. Here fruit seller क्या कर रहा है, fruit seller is selling those fruits to the customers, and when it is transferred from seller to the customer, its utility increases, and that's why it is known as a possession utility. So it is a transfer of utility from one person to another person. And then last type of utility is knowledge utility. Okay, when we attain the knowledge or information of particular commodity, its utility increases. जैसे कि after completion of the MSCIT course, utility derived from the mobile or a utility derived from a personal computer or laptop will definitely increase as you know the functions of the laptop. Okay, so all these are the types of utility and features that we have already discussed there. Okay, so we will stop here and we'll continue in the next lecture. Thank you.